Well, so good morning, and I can actually say that this time because guess what?
It's the morning and we're not in the car.
It's morning, and well, we're not in the car, so that's a new one. My friend Jennifer is coming to pick us up. We're gonna take the kids on this rainy day to a secret place that the kids do not know about yet, and they keep trying to trick me and ask me funny questions, trying to get me to slip up. So
Yes.
I'll insert where we're going right now. Right there. Right there. You should see it. And I can't wait to see their faces when we get there. We're not expecting this. We were supposed to just be going to the library today, so
We're
it's gonna
going
be
to
fun.
the library.
Sure, we're going to the library.
Yay! Wow, what a surprise!
What a surprise!
Yay, library. I like the library.
Yeah, me too. All right. Oh, I am shaking so bad. All right, we'll see you in just a minute.
Scared me so bad.
Not so patiently waiting. We wanted to meet Jennifer outside before. I didn't want her to see how messy my house is right now. Yeah, I'll tell you the story about why my house is so messy once I see Jennifer, so I can tell everybody at one time about my crappy day yesterday. The crappy day. Do you know why? Remember why it's called a crappy day?
We went to the junkyard.
No, yesterday. Oh, don't say it. Don't say it yet. Yeah. It was a very, very crappy day. So I'll tell you more about it in a little bit. Yeah, those are the fidget spinners from Mommy's youth. You know, those little pine cone seeds, like these little things. Yeah. And she's here, yay! Alright, so I promised that I would save the crap story so that I can tell Jennifer about it too and all at one time. So yesterday I slept in just a little bit longer than I normally do, and apparently the night before we didn't leave the dogs outside long enough to use the bathroom. Yeah. So Fable pooped, and she had a little bit of, diarrhea, because I think she also got into something she wasn't supposed to have, and she pooped in the hallway and in front of the back door. At least she knew where she was trying to go. And then we have a Roomba. We have a Roomba, and it is scheduled to go off every day at a specific time. Yeah.
Roomba nightmares.
It's horrible. There was poop everywhere, and they got inside the Roomba, and the Roomba spread it all over. It was so bad. So this is my public service announcement. If you have dogs, make sure that your Roomba is running when you're awake. Definitely don't want it to happen to you. Ugh. Okay, we're almost here.
Where are we going? We're going to auto parts.
I can't see your faces. Let me know if I'm in your way.
I don't think I passed it, sorry.
You guys didn't see it?
We're going to the mobile home park.
Surprise! We're here!
How did you get in there? I didn't see it.
Alright, let's try to skip. I'll try to keep my eye out for it too. Alright.
Auto parts store.
I'll get you guys some auto parts to fix Mommy's van.
Sorry.
It's all good.
Emma was right.
What?
Emma guessed we were going to the trampoline park.
How did you guess that?
I don't know, she just guessed.
How did you do that?
Because the last surprise that was in Great Wolf Lodge was the trampoline park.
Oh. Well, the one that Aunt Deb took you to?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Is this the same one?
Oh, no.
I love trampolines.
I can't believe you guessed it. That's insane. That's
still
like a really good guessing. We're here. epic battle. Big Ben and Cool Kate. They'll be up there all day. Yeah, Emma throw stuff at him too. Mom's getting into it too. Mom is getting into it as well. Oh. Caitlin is victorious. Amazing Emma and Cool Kate. Oh, they're sisters. Oh. Well, Emma only weighs like 2 pounds, so that's. Oh, wow, Ben. Woo. Close. Why are you crying? Aren't you supposed to be happy?
There's foam in my eye.
From the foam?
Yeah.
Foam pit. You too? Are you crying too?
Kind of.
I'm not sure what Caitlin's trying to do right now. I think she's going after Ben. Yep, she's going after Ben. They're just running all over the place now. Oh, they're gonna be so tired later. Emma didn't sleep much last night. You right? You gotta bounce over it. You have to have someone spin it for you. What was that? You can't? Oh. It's too low. Should have to be over. There you go. Well, that was better than last time. So Jennifer and I were just talking about how they didn't have cool stuff like this when we were kids. And it reminded me of the story when I said something like that probably about 2 years ago. Emma was 8 or so, and I said, they didn't have stuff like that when I was a kid. I wish I had cool stuff like you guys get or get to play with nowadays. And she's like, yeah, Mom, I know. All you had was sticks and rocks. Really good? Anyway, so I thought that I'd share that with you guys because it was pretty funny. Oh, and there she goes. So I forgot to pack a lunch. And the kids and I need something to eat. There's no restaurants or anything nearby the trampoline place. There's just a Bartles Drugs. So I'm gonna see what they've got. Well, they didn't have anything that I was looking for, so we'll just head back and see if Jennifer wouldn't mind, I don't know, stopping somewhere before we go to our next place. I don't know if we're going anywhere else, but we'll find out. It was a really, really rainy day today, and originally the girls and I were supposed to go with Jennifer to the library for a curriculum book swap, and they were also going to do school pictures there, but I looked up where the location was and it was an hour from the house, and then coming back we would have hit traffic and I wasn't having that. So trampoline park, excellent place to go on a rainy day. Look babe, I'm doing it! I'm doing it! Okay, I'm not doing it anymore. Are you done? Are you exhausted?
No.
No?
There's still another. I'm really taking small breaks. Oh, dodgeball's over.
Small breaks. Dodgeball? Do you want to go do dodgeball? Apparently. They're off. Well, alright guys, we're back. We had a long, fun day. After the trampoline place, we went to McDonald's just to get something quick to eat because, as you saw in the video earlier, I forgot to pack a lunch. So we stopped there. Jennifer and I had some good conversations. The kids got to play a little bit. And she dropped me off at home not long ago. And now I am in the shoe shed about to edit this video so that I can post it in the morning. We hope you guys all had a great day too. We'll see you tomorrow. Merp, merp.